Hey there guys, it's Emoji Master VC again, and today we're going to be making a video on how to make a clean version of a song updated, because last time there were some issues with the video. It was not great. I have to admit, that was my past self. I'm different now, and this video is going to be a lot better. And I got a lot of comments on that video, and I'd say most of them were bad, and a lot of them were telling me to make it more professional because it wasn't professional enough, and I agree. And if you have any problem with this video, please put it in the comments, because that helps me improve for the future. And I do read the comments and I take back, and I'm going to start replying to the comments if you guys have any questions about this video. If there's anything that you thought I didn't make clear that you want to ask me about how to make a clean version of a song, I'm good at that, so I can help you out. I'll reply within like 24 hours, so feel free to ask me anything about it. So today what we're going to cover in this video is we're going to cover how to make a clean version of a song using the instrumental of the song and cutting the stuff you want out easily. And then the music still plays in the background. And if you don't have an instrumental, later on we're going to cover how to split the audio between the vocals and the instrumental, and we're going to be able to use that as instrumental and make a clean version of that song. So yeah, today we're going to cover a lot of stuff, and it might be a bit long. You do not have to watch the whole thing, because if you have the instrumental, and guys, yeah, so let's begin. But before we do, come on guys, it's a one button, it's not that hard, and you don't need to turn on push notifications. I just need the subscribers, guys. I need 1,000 subscribers, and then I'll be able to start making money on YouTube. That's life-changing for me, so it really helped me out. Thanks, guys.
Emoji. Emoji. Emoji Master VC.
So, hey there guys, let's begin our video. But please guys, it really helps if you subscribe. It could lead to my career. It makes me money. I can start making money on YouTube. It really helps out, guys. So anyways, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open like GarageBand, FL Studio, WavePad, whatever you use. Like, what's your music thing? You can pretty much use anything, but I use GarageBand. That's what we're gonna be using as the example. The first thing you need to do is get the MP3 file of the song you want to make a clean version of, drag it into your music program. For me, that's GarageBand. And also get the MP3 file of the instrumental of the song. If you don't have an instrumental, fast forward a bit. We're going to show you how to get one for any song. But to make one, guys. But you don't have to play the instruments. We're going to be splitting the audio. But if you can find one on YouTube or anything, download that as an MP3 file and put it in here. I use YouTube to MP3. Just search up YouTube to MP3 and you can download the file for the song and the instrumental of the song, and then drag them both in GarageBand, line them up so that they match each other perfectly, so you can't tell that. See, hear that? So that you can't tell that they're separate, so that they're exactly the same, so that they sound perfect. And then what you're gonna do? Let's begin. So I'm using a song called "Hi Haters" by YEATY, featuring Young Savoye, and the beats are prod by Cormil. He's a beat producer, and I don't own any rights to this song. It's not my song, so credit them. Like, this isn't my song. I just wanted to make a clean version of it for this video. It's an example, because it's a really good song in my opinion. So what you do is you find what you want to skip, but I don't want to skip anything in this. I'm just gonna skip something random. Okay. I'm just gonna skip back, I guess. I don't know why, it doesn't fit, but I'm going to. So get the regular one of the regular song, the MP3 file that you dragged in here. Click on that, split at playhead, split it. But it might not say split at playhead for whatever file you're using, for whatever program you're using, but just find split it basically, and then let it play what you want to skip. Split it again, and hit delete. And then listen to this. It's going to keep playing in the background. It's awesome. Hear that? That's what happens, guys. And it's pretty basic, you know. It's not that hard. It's pretty basic. And And then if you want to do some cool effects, like this is some stuff that I might do. Like you can split the thing like right before it, whatever he says, and then you can duplicate that. Is there a way to duplicate? Oh yeah, copy, and then you paste it again, and then it's there twice. So then when you play it, it'll be there twice in the instrument. That doesn't sound great, but I'm sure you can figure something out. You can match it up perfectly. You can make it sound a lot better than that. But that's just a basic version. So that's really what you have to do, guys. That's pretty much all you have to do. And you can do that with whatever thing you want to skip. And it sounds awesome. It works perfectly, and it's great. And that just makes a lot of things easier for making clean versions of songs. So this is a professional way to do it, guys. And it's perfect. It's a music program. It's what you're supposed to do, and it's great. And you can upload it by. And let me show you how to upload it for you guys who aren't gonna need to watch the second half of the video. You go to share, and you can just like put it in iTunes, and then put the file on your desktop. And like what I do is I put it in iMovie as just an MP3 file. Then you add a picture, and then you upload it to YouTube or whatever you want. And if you want it on SoundCloud, you know. But I'm not sure that you're allowed to do that because it's kind of abusing other people's rights. So don't really. But like that's just how you would upload stuff and make a clean version of a song, basically. But make sure you credit the person who made the song. Make sure you credit always do that. So yeah, that's what I do. So that's how you do it, guys. But now I'm going to be showing you how to split the audio of a song with this. I should show you all the stuff you need. There's some more tech that you're going to need for this part, but I'm sure you can find this stuff around your house. It's common. It's kind of common. So here we go on the second half. And if you're happy with what you've already learned, then go ahead and leave. Don't forget to subscribe. But okay, for those of you who are going to watch the next part, let's go. Now this part of the video is a whole nother level of technology needed, but you might be able to find this stuff around your house, because I happen to have all this stuff. I didn't really get it from anywhere, but I just found all of it. So here's a basic guitar amp, or you can use a drum amp. You can pretty much use any musical instrument amp if you play music, which you probably do if you're watching this video. But if you don't, then you can probably find like a radio, any speaker that has an input that you can plug in, and another plug-in where you can record. So what I found in my house is this little cord right here that led me to the masters of cleaning songs. It's the key. It's an audio splitting cable. It's not meant for that, but it can do stuff like that. You plug it in to this little piece, which is an adapter actually. This is the key right here. This little piece that goes onto it. You don't need this. It all depends on what machinery you're plugging it into. If you're plugging it into a guitar amp, you're probably going to need one of these. If you're just plugging it into something that goes directly into there, then you're all good. But you can buy these at like any music store pretty much. Not sure about the cables, but these adapters you can. The cables are really rare. I've got 2 of them, but I found them in my house coincidentally when I was just learning how to clean songs. Well, like the advanced way, because I used to be very basic using iMovie to clean them, but I've advanced from there. So what we're going to be doing today is using iMovie to clean songs. I'm not saying that's bad. That is good. That's how I started off, and that's actually how I made most of my best clean versions. But now these ones are kind of better. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to learn new ways, and you guys might like these ways better. I like these ways better on my laptop now instead of my phone. It's easier and just more professional. And that's what people in the comments wanted from me. So anyways, what we do here is I've got my computer plugged into this here. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, and we're going to split the audio of some songs. Let me turn the volume down a bit because we don't want it to blast. So Migos, I'm going to use Migos t-shirt. That's what I usually use, and that's what works best for me. I'm gonna play a clean version, just to be safe. So anyways, might need it louder than that. Yeah, that's too soft. Just getting this hooked up, guys. Hold on. There we go. Do you hear that, guys? Do you realize what I've just done? If you know this song, then you'll be amazed right now. I'm splitting the audio. Like, it's not an instrumental version or anything. I'm splitting the audio so that we've got our own instrumental right here. That's awesome. And then how you record this. Listen to this, guys. Listen to the difference. You're gonna have to turn it down a bit because, like, it's gonna blast your ears out. Hear that? This is what it's supposed to sound like, but I just split the audio. And then that's the audio split version. Hear that, guys? You hear the difference? That's amazing stuff that you should be very glad you just learned. I spent years trying to figure this out, and I just figured it out like a couple months ago. But I'm very proud of it, and I didn't research this, guys. I figured this out myself, and I'm proud of it. I used the right tech, and I figured this stuff out. So now you figured it out as well, and you can use my ideas for your own stuff. You don't have to credit me. I'm just glad that I'm helping people. And so what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna show you how to record this. So this, you might not have this stuff, guys. I'm sorry, but anyways, you get your guitar cord, which you probably have if you have an amp. It just plugs into the guitar. That's basic stuff. Oh no, not my laptop. Yeah, that shouldn't have been hard, but it was because I only my phone. So yeah, you plug that in, and you plug the other half into your guitar recorder if you have that to record like your guitar on, like if you want to make a song or something and you want a good studio recording. That's what I use. I use iRig Pro. You probably don't have this, but if you do, lucky. And if you don't, you can buy this stuff at like any store. I've seen it a lot. I'm sure you can go out and buy this like today, in fact, if you want. Unless you're on, for some reason you can't. You probably can though. So you're gonna plug that into your computer from the iRig Pro or whatever device you want to use. But I recommend the iRig Pro. It's good in my opinion for this and to make your own music, which I do. And I've got a new album coming out in 2 months. It's available for pre-order on iTunes right now, but that's not what we're talking about. So anyways, let's get recording. Go to GarageBand. Go to Empty Project. Connect the guitar or bass to your Mac. Just hit that because that's what they think you're doing right now. And it kind of is what you're doing. Except you're making a clean version of a song, which is my purpose, at least, to teach you right now. So what you need to do next, how are we going to do this actually? It's actually kind of complicated. I don't know if this is going to work because I've got my laptop right here. Anyways, if you have another device, that'll be even better for this. And this might work, but if we're lucky, but it also might not. T-shirt. So, here we go. Interesting. Don't know why that's not working. Of course, that makes sense. Yeah, because it only works on GarageBand, of course. So, I wonder if they can hear us right now. Right. So record. You won't be able to hear it, I don't think. There's a way that you can, but I'm not gonna do that right now because that one, yeah. Here it is. I'm not doing that right now, guys. I'm just trying to show you this as fast as I can. So you record it. Hit done. There is a way for you guys to hear that. I think you have to. Oh yeah. You have to plug headphones into the iRig Pro. That's how you do it. If you plug headphones into the iRig Pro, you can hear it be recorded. And then, if you unplug the iRig Pro, let's listen to it. Weird. It wasn't splitting audio, but that's how you do it, guys. You just need it to split audio, and if you could get it to split, yeah, sorry. That's what you do, though. Let's play from there. Yeah, it was recording. It just needed to be the audio splitting mode. I'm sorry I didn't do that. But that's how it works. You all know how it works now. That's how you split audio. I bet a lot of you have always wanted to do that. Now you know how. Please, guys, before we go, it would really help me out if you could subscribe. I know you enjoyed this video. If you're someone like me who likes to make clean versions of songs, this must have really helped you out. Please, it would have helped me out when I was trying to figure this stuff out. So please, guys, please subscribe.